Hola, saludos, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, jóvenes, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? A ver, jóvenes, eh, vamos a hablar de los pronombres. Hablamos de los pronombres, ¿ok? Hablamos de los pronombres hoy. The good news, you have seen already the majority of them, okay? You are acquainted with yo, tú, él, ella, usted. So basically, you are a pro in terms of singular pronouns because you have seen them, you have worked with them. Now, we are going to pay more attention to the plural form, okay, of them. I think we have seen them, but the thing is that we haven't seen them very consciously. So that's what we are going to do in this part uh, of the chapter. Okay, so we have seen the yo form. Now think about the plural form of the yo. If I'm in a group, in English will be we, what will be then the pronoun in Spanish? It will be nosotros o nosotras, okay? If I'm in a female group, it will be nosotras. If I'm in a masculine group and I'm a male, I'm going to say nosotros. If I'm in a mixed group, I can use nosotros y nosotras. Or I can say nosotras y él. Or nosotros y ella. And that will be we. Still we. Okay? Or I can use the traditional one, which is the nosotros. It was used for a mixed group. But that modality is changing a little bit, okay, nowadays. So keep that in mind, okay? Bien, so nosotros, nosotras. The tú and the usted are they belong to the second person, okay? Now, one is formal and the other one is informal. I'm using the formal one to talk to people that I don't know, that I want to show them respect. I want to show some distance, okay? So if I'm talking to a client, I'm going to use the usted. If I'm talking to a doctor, a professor, a judge, I'm going to use the usted. Okay. If I'm talking to um, a classmate that I'm acquainted with, I'm going to use tú. If I'm talking to people that I know very well, I'm going to use the tú. Okay. So they have plural forms. Let's start with the informal one, which is the tú. So the tú has the informal form in plural, which is going to be vosotros, vosotras, vosotros for male, vosotras for females. Okay. Then we have usted or ustedes, which is the formal. Pay attention. In America Latina, instead of vosotros, vosotras, we use another one. Instead of that one, we use ustedes. For us, in America Latina, the second person will be ustedes all the time. Ustedes, 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 okay? Formal and informal. In Spain, they make that distinction, okay? They take that very seriously, okay? Bien, so remember, you're going to see the second person plural distinction in Spain. Vosotros, vosotras versus ustedes. Bien. And then finally, we have the third person, which is ella y él y ella. And then in the plural form will be ellos for masculine, ellas for feminine. If I have a mixed group, I can say ellos y ella o ellos y ellas. ¿Sí? And um, if I want to keep it very traditional, then it will be ellos. It will be a mixed group. Okay. Bien. So those are the pronouns, people. ¿Sí? Bien. Hasta luego. Chao.